Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove slow mode on Discord. So in this case, you have to go to Discord first, then choose the server you want to stop the slow mode or remove the slow mode. Then choose the channel, text channel. Between text channel, you can see more channels. Just choose one channel, like I'm going here, general. Beside that general, you can see a cogwheel, settings cogwheel. Click on edit channel. After that, you will find here slow mode. You can see here, right, which is off. If you turn this on, you can turn this on like this, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or seconds. Or if you want to turn this off, just make it off and click on save changes. Okay, so after clicking on save changes, your slow mode will be off. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.